Hey there design dreamers, welcome back to Design Dreams, your go-to channel for all things UX UI. Today we are diving into one of the most fundamental steps of design process, wireframing. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced designer, wireframing is where your ideas start to take shape. And today we are going to go beyond the basics to get technical. We'll cover everything from best practices to specific line heights, paddings, and margins to make your wireframes professional. Let's get started. Wireframes are blueprints of your design. They outline structure of your layout without the distraction of colors, images, or fonts. Wireframes are all about placement, navigation, and functionality. They show how elements will be organized on the page and give stakeholders a clear vision of user experience. Take a look at this side-by-side comparison. On the left, you'll see a basic wireframe, and on the right, the polished final products. Wireframes are minimal, but they set the foundation for a strong design. Wireframes give you a clear roadmap for your design. They help you to test user flows, ensure logical content organization, and identify potential issues early. Without wireframes, you risk wasting your time on design that might not work for the user. Wireframes also ensure that everyone involved in the project, from developer to stakeholders, are aligned before moving into high fidelity design. A good wireframe focuses on four core areas: structure, content hierarchy, navigation, and responsiveness. But to take your wireframes to the next level, let's get into some key technical specs. Grid systems. When organizing your layout, using a grid system helps ensure alignment and consistency. A 12-column grid is standard for desktop designs, while mobile can work well with 4-column grid. Stick to 24 to 32 pixel gutter between columns for a clean and structured layout. Font sizes. For font sizes, stick to clear hierarchy. Headings should range from 24 to 32 pixels for desktop, and body text should be around 16 pixels. For mobile, scale these down slightly, headings around 20 to 24 pixels and body text no smaller than 14 pixels. When it comes to text, maintaining readability is the key. A line height of around 1.4 to 1.6 times the font size is ideal for body text. This ensures enough breathing room for the user to read comfortably without overwhelming the screen with dense block of text. Paddings and margins. For paddings and margins, a consistent approach is crucial. As a rule of thumb, use 16, 22 and 32 pixels of margin between major sections and keep 8 to 16 pixels of spacing between individual elements like buttons, images and text blocks. This creates a clean and balanced layout, improving user experience. Button sizes. Button sizing is another important factor to get right. Ensure that buttons are large enough to tap easily, especially on mobile. A minimum size of 44 pixels by 44 pixels is recommended for tap targets based on Apple's and Google's accessibility guidelines. That's how you do wireframes correctly. Whether it's maintaining consistent padding, keeping a strong grid system, these are the steps that will take your wireframes from good to great. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to Design Dreams. And drop a comment with your own wireframing tips. Thanks for watching and happy designing.